Lenovo IdeaPad 300-151BR Hard Drive Replacement.
Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you.
What is up, guys? Well, this is me again, Teacher Kevin PH, and we are back again with another video. Alright, so today, my dear friends, I'm gonna be teaching you how to replace, remove, or detach the hard drive of this kind of laptop. Alright, this is Lenovo IdeaPad 300-151BR. Okay, and without much ado, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, my dear friends. Oh, wait for my background. Never mind my background, my dear friends. Soon, if I'll earn more money coming from your support, studio upgrade. Why not? Why not? I am considering that one, my dear friends. Okay. The first step that we will do here is, of course, to remove the screws. In order for us to access the hard drive for this kind of laptop, there are only two screws that we need to remove. This one and this one. I've already removed mine. The next step is to pull this one. There you go. Okay. Then, here is where our hard drive is being placed. Alright? The next step, using your screwdriver, remove all the 4 screws. I've already removed the screws in this laptop. Then remove this one. Actually, this is the cover for the hard drive. Then the third step, my dear friends, get the hard drive that you will use to replace this one, or that you will use for this PC. Let's get the hard drive. Alright, so I have here the hard drive that I just bought in Lazada, my dear friends. This is only up to 320 gig, my dear friends. Okay, and we're ready to use it for a while. There you go. Set. We're good to go. Now, my dear friends, using this one, the cover. Wait for a while. Let's just place it. There you go. The next, make sure that you will see, okay, if how do we align this one in the port of your device. All right. Wait for a while. Okay. So let's attach it. There you go. This is just very easy, my dear friends. There you go. Push. There you go. The next, let's put in the cover. There you go. We're done. Put back the screws and you are good to go. Assuming that I've already put back the screws. And there you go. We're done. Now, for the next one, my dear friends, how to replace or detach or remove the RAM of this kind of laptop. This is how to do it. We have here the RAM, my dear friends, of this laptop. There you go. All we need to do then is to press this one left and right. There you go. And the RAM. If you're going to put this one back, just put this one. There you go. Then press. We're good to go. How to replace hard drive and RAM for Lenovo IdeaPad 300-151BR. See you in my next video. Hope I'll have a nicer background next time. Thank you so much for the support and bye-bye.